Welcome to Jaipur, the crown jewel of India's rich cultural heritage and a city that stands at the crossroads of history and modernity. On 18th December, the nation's top road construction experts and contractors will gather in this historic city for the most anticipated event of the year. The Global Road Construction Conference 2024 at the Rajasthan International Centre in Jaipur. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Jaipur while exploring cutting-edge innovations in road construction at our conference. And hear from India's top policy makers and leading industry players. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity to connect, learn, and lead the way forward. Register now and be a part of India's road to the future.